Hi there, Nigel Saunders here. I'm at the Community Gardens, Edible Forest and Orchard, and you may notice something slightly different today. All the drainage tiles are put in place. I'm wondering, how were all these tiles put in the ground? If only there was some way of going back in time and seeing how it was done. The heavy equipment arrived this morning to put in the tile drainage. The machine you see in the background digs a trench, lays the pipe in the trench, and also fills it back in. So it uses a GPS signal from a satellite, a military satellite, that gets the grading exactly right. So all the pipe is laid in on a slight angle so it drains towards the central drain. So quite a machine. There's a look at the trench that's already done. Goes all the way down to the entrance there. The garden down here is called a hugelkultur garden. They bury a lot of organic matter, and it's supposed to hold a lot of moisture and be self-sustaining, so you don't have to water your plants or anything. Our stewards of the forest team was out putting gravel around the base of the trees. I'll go show you that. I was worried initially that the trees are going to be too dry out in the middle of this field, but when we were digging around to put the gravel in, there was lots of moisture in the soil. It was really good. Here's a shot of some of the junctions where the pipes join. So you can see there's a T-fitting there. I think the big machine down there is out of piping, so I think they're in the process of reloading it. I can see a truck coming in now. Yeah, it's got the pipe on it. Let's go down and have a look at that. Here comes the new pipe. Down in the holes here, you can see the water seeping in. So it means the water level has kind of dropped from, in spring it's at the surface of the grass there, and now it's probably dropped down at least a meter, maybe a meter and a half. So the field has definitely changed. It's all dug up. I was talking to the work crew, they said they'd be definitely done at the end of today. Yes, this is a small job for them. They normally put in drainage in farmers' fields, so they do acres and acres in one day. The work at the community gardens is almost finished. There's a bulldozer running around just flattening all the bumps, but all the drainage tiles are in the ground and it's ready for rain. Here's the storm drain that all the excess water goes into, and you can see just after a few hours of installing all the tile drainage, it's flowing already. Putting the drainage in this field is a big step. It probably means that all our orchard trees will survive now instead of getting waterlogged in spring. We can also start planting some trees for the First Nations garden. That'll be really exciting.